Hello guys, welcome to Joseph IT Technology Entertainer. Today in this tutorial of Joseph IT, I'm going to show you how to install Internet Download Manager or IDM extension in Opera Mini browser easily. So first of all, I'm going to Opera Mini. From the Opera icon, simply go to extensions and there you will be able to find a place to install extensions. Now simply go to IDM, right click and go to open file location. Now simply find the CRX file. This is the extension file, and now simply drag it to the Opera Mini from the folder, and when it is there, just simply click on install, and within a short while it will be installed in your system. And now you can easily work with your Opera Mini browser with the extension of Internet Download Manager. And please be noted that if your Internet Download Manager is outdated, then it may not work or not show the download bar on the browser. So update it and it will work fine. And I hope you really found this video useful. If you faced any problem or any difficulty, then please feel free to contact us on the comment box. Please subscribe to the channel and be with us. Good day.